Hi dear Geminis, how are you guys doing? So this is a journal love reading for you guys for March 2021. So we will tap into a partner's energy and your energy and we will see what will be the outcome of this relationship with the person whomsoever is on your mind the most, okay? While listening to my story of Geminis. So right now your person's energy is walking away. I think your person left you. I think they are walking away from you. I think they are walking away from this relationship in particular. I feel like there was something happening in the past between you guys that made this person took this decision to walk away forever from you. So right now they are in this energy of walking away from you and they are feeling like this relationship is not going to work out no matter how hard they try, no matter how hard both the parties try, but this relationship is not working, so that is why they are trying to walk away, maybe not fully walking away from you maybe, but they are trying to walk away from you or from the situation that is happening right now. How they see you, they see you as the 10 of swords. They see you as somebody who backstabbed them, or they are feeling like you betrayed them in the past, or they are feeling like the worst is over and now they are ready to have a start with you. So basically they feel like there was something very ugly in this relationship, that there was a toxic energy present in this relationship, and now that toxic energy is over, and they are now ready to start a new relationship or a new chapter with you in the future. But now right now they are seeing you as somebody who is like kind of injured or hurt, or somebody who is uh, who was acting maybe toxic or weird. I don't know what kind of feeling this is, but they are feeling backstabbed maybe by you, or maybe they are on the positive side, they are feeling like the worst is over, and on the negative side they feel like they are backstabbed by you. What they're feeling right now. See, Gemini, this is a very weird energy right now because they are walking away. They are walking away, but they are manifesting you. See, they are feeling like you are the right person for them. I feel like there were lots of fights and confusion and conflicts going on in the past, but they feel like you are the right person for them. So that's why they are manifesting you back in their life. They are manifesting you day and night. They are feeling like manifestation is the only way to get you back in their life. Okay, and what they want from this relationship, they want a stable and solid and committed relationship from you. They want basically what I feel is they want loyalty from you. I feel like one of you betrayed the other or cheated on the other, or maybe you guys show a very obsessive behavior on the other to the other party, and that is why they feel like they should walk away from this relationship. And that is why this situation arises where one is walking away and the other is feeling like betrayed and backstabbed. Now this person of yours want a loyal and solid and committed relationship with you, without any kind of hustle and bustle, without any kind of quarrels and conflicts. They want to clear the air with you and start again and have a very solid and committed relationship with you, because the emperor is the person who kinds of make a decision and stick to it. Because I feel like the emperor energy is very adamant energy. You can say sometimes it feels like this is a very rude energy, but in reality it is not. In reality it is kind of energy who is very loyal and solid and committed. They make a decision and they stick to it, no matter what happens in the future. They don't care about that. Okay, this is the thing. So the outcome from their side is the devil. I think the devil is not the best outcome. But yes, they are obsessed with you, Gemini. They are fully obsessed with you. They are manifesting you. The magician and the devil is not a very good combination in love relationship, but I have to got to tell you the truth. They are manifesting you. They are obsessed with you. They are feeling like, how the hell Gemini left me? How dare Gemini did that? How dare Gemini did this or that, or blah blah blah. Whatever happened between you guys in the past, I don't know what the issue was. Please do let me know in the comment section. I hope it will help me out as well. So basically, this person is manifesting you because they are obsessed with you. They are not letting you go anywhere. Or in the worst case scenario, it can also be possible that they are kind of using some black magic on you to get you back, or to make maybe to to uh, make you learn a lesson or something. but I don't know what is happening. But they are manifesting you, and they are maybe using black magic or spells or love spells or kind of these energy as well on you. So please beware of this, Gemini, and meditate regularly, and be on the high vibration. If you're on the high vibration, the lower energies, these type of energies don't work. Okay, so this is what is happening from their side. I'm not saying just, I'm not saying that they are doing it. This could be a possibility that they are doing it, because the magician and the devil is telling me that they are manifesting you very very badly. They are in a very very obsessive state of mind right now in March. Yes, yes, this is the truth. Okay, if it is resonating with you or your partner, or the roles can be reversed as well, I think, because it is a dual energy of, both the partners. So it could be you also trying to get them back, and you're obsessed with them, and you are using all kinds of magic spells and love spells and blah blah blah. See, I'm telling you that doesn't work. If you're manifesting them with a pure heart, with a pure energy, then it is fine. But if you are putting some kind of black magic or love spells or all kind of bullshit on them, please don't do that, Gemini. That is not going to work out. And if you're a cross watcher and if you're doing that, please stop it. It is not going to do any good with anybody. Okay, so from your side, uh, Gemini, your energy right now is a Queen of Cups. You are emotionally stable. Now you are emotionally stable. I think you are also in love with this person. You feel like this person is a positive person anyway, but right now they are acting weird with you. That is what is happening, Gemini. You are in a positive state of mind. You are emotionally stable. You are feeling in love with this person. You feel for this person. You want them to be happy in life. But I feel like how you see your person right now is this, the Five of Pentacles. You see your person as somebody who left you in the cold, maybe in the past, or somebody who is feeling like they are walking away as well. You are also walking away. Sorry, your person was walking away. Your person's energy was this. If you remember, they were walking away, and you also feel like this person is drifting away from you, walking away from you. You also feel like this, Gemini, right? Yes. So I feel like your person is walking away from you. They are showing that they don't care about you, but deep inside they are manifesting you, and they are obsessed with you. And yeah, but you feel how you see your person is, you see your person, Gemini, as somebody who's walking away from you, who is drifting apart from you. How you feel about your person? You feel your person as an empress. You see your person as an empress. You see them as a very very charming, beautiful, creative, high creativity person who can do anything, who can manifest anything, and they have a very beautiful seductive eyes maybe. I feel, Gemini, you're obsessed with their eyes, or some part of their body that obsess you, that make you feel good about them. But basically you feel like this person of yours is very very beautiful, seductive, sexy, and abundant in their own way, in their own world. Okay, what you want from them, this is the star card. You want a new beginning. You also want a new beginning from them, but you want a positivity in this relationship that is completely not here right now. So I feel like from your side this is a very positive reading. From their side it is obsessive, and some kind of negative and toxic energy is present. From your side you feel like you want this relationship to work out, but the positivity should be there, the balancing of emotions should be there. Gemini, this is what is happening. This is kind of weird, because one party is very very toxic and very very negative, and the other part is very very beautifully, energetically good, and feeling good about this relationship, hoping for a good relationship with this particular person. See, the outcome from your side is the Knight of Pentacles. You are taking very very slow steps towards this person. You are analyzing each and every step of theirs, and then you are, see, you are loyal to them. You are ready to offer them stability and happiness, but you are analyzing each and everything, because I think there was a very very filthy past between both the parties, and that is why this shit is happening, this mess is happening. So that is why you are analyzing and strategizing everything in your life towards this person. You are ready to offer them a solid offer, a solid commitment, but you are taking your sweet as time to do that. Okay, this is what is happening, right? So the cumulative outcome from both the parties is the Knight of Pentacles, stability. Knight of Swords, this is the King of Pentacles, I'm sorry. So it is going to be a very very stable relationship, if you don't rush into things. If you don't rush into things, both the parties, if somebody is rushing into this relationship, somebody is coming towards you and saying, please please be committed to me, and let's get married, and let's have sex, and let's have this and that. This is this kind of energy. Somebody is coming, rushing into your life. Okay, the moon is there, subconscious fears, lots of fears is there, the moon is there, the magician is here, the devil is here. Definitely there is some kind of toxicity around you, around this relationship, that you have to work on before you go into this stability zone. I feel like I feel like this is, there will be commitment, there will be from one party, but another party is in this zone of hurrying and rushing things into your life. And I think you should slow it down, because deep inside there are subconscious fears to this relationship, the moon. So by the end of March, what I feel is there will be communication, there will be stability, there will be I don't feel like there will be much happiness to this relationship, but yes, there will be some kind of resolution coming in, and you guys will come out of this situation if you allow each other to, explore the other party's feelings and communicate really well, really, really well. Oh, Gemini, this is kind of heavy reading. I feel, I just hope every Gemini should watch it and go through it and let me know if this is what they are feeling and what their partner's energy is. And at the bottom of the deck is the Seven of Cups. Confusion, confusion, lots of confusion. I think you guys are in a confused state of mind right now. What to do, what to do, what to do, whether to tell them, whether to keep other options open, whether to go away, whether to walk through this, whether to walk away, whether to keep my options open, whether to talk to them, whether to amend things them. Confusing state of mind. Very, very confusing state of mind, Gemini. Let's pull three cards from the Love Oracle deck. What they want to tell you, what is happening, the messages from them. This is kind of heavy energy, right, Gemini? You are taking your sweet time to analyze each and everything. On the other hand, they are behaving very, very obsessive. They are behaving like, I don't feel like there is a third party situation, because there is no other card revealing the third party situation. But I feel like they are manifesting you very, very badly, and some kind of magical spells, some kind of this thing is happening, Gemini. Watch out for this, okay? But Gemini, you don't have to worry about this in Gemini. Let me tell you first one thing. Because if you are vibrating on a higher level of spirituality, of whatever religion you are of, it doesn't matter. If you are connected to the universe, if you are connected to your inner being on a higher level, on a spiritual level, nothing can, you know, spoil your integrity, spoil your life. So yeah, let's see what's coming your way. Twin flames, mhm. Balance, union, duality, coupling complement each other. I feel like there will be communication coming in, and this is what it is all about. Okay, Gemini, your first message. The second message: be light-hearted, finding out things, coming to light, adapt, change, heal. See, be light-hearted. It is very heavy energy surrounding both the parties, so you should be light-hearted. You should enjoy and heal both the parties. Okay, and addiction. Oh, I am telling you, this is very heavy energy of addiction and obsession in this reading, Gemini. I don't know whether this is you or your partner. I feel like your partner. It is your partner. I feel heavily like this is your partner. This is addiction. This is codependent, obsession, possession, controlling, has a block, restraint. So this is your third and final message from this love oracle deck, Gemini. So Gemini, this is a very heavy reading. I feel like yes, this is. But the good thing is that you are taking your sweet time. You are analyzing each and everything. You are contemplating each and everything. Beware of the black magic or the black energies around you. If you don't trust in these black magic and black energies right now in your life, then also I feel like you should use some protective energies around you. Use some kind of, uh, you should go in nature more. I think you should do grounding. That is a very good thing. That is not that has nothing to do with religion or spirituality, if you're not that kind of person. Okay, so thank you so much for listening. God bless you. God bless you. I hope this reading will help you out. Please listen to this carefully till the end. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you. Namaste. Do subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if it resonates with you. Yeah, thank you.